This video shows management of ectopia lentis in different situations to get best outcome. Yes, surgical management of ectopia lentis cases is real challenge for the surgeon. Decision regarding surgical intervention depends on the grade of subluxation, and it needs careful perioperative evaluation to see degree of zonular weakness, vitreous prolapse, phacodonosis and grade of nuclear sclerosis, which will give more precision to the decision of surgical intervention. This case 1 which shows subluxation of 4 to 5 clock hours, which is managed by CTR. Here you can see there's 4 to 5 clock hour of subluxation. In this case, rhexis should be started away from the zonular weakness area, and you can see forceps is better in such cases as it has better control. Rhexis is completed. Now gentle hydroresection was done. You must be careful. Visco was injected, and here you can see CTR was placed in the bag, as this is a very soft cataract, and to avoid zonular stress during surgery we should implant CTR in the bag before doing irrigation aspiration. This you can see is very well placed, and then low parameter irrigation aspiration was done. In each and every step we should take care of zonular stress. So the irrigation aspiration was done. Now the IL was implanted in the bag. Again, we must be careful about the stress on the zone. You see the central placement. Now this is the case 2. Again shows 4 to 5 clock hour of subluxation with grade 2 nuclear sclerosis. Again the rhexis should be started away from the zonular weakness area, just to reduce the stress on the already compromised zonules. And you can see the very well controlled rhexis through the rhexis forceps, which is better tool in such cases. Again the gentle hydrodissection and low parameter phacoemulsification should be done. We should take care of zonular stress. In this case, hooks are used to engage anterior capsular margin to give support to the capsule, as it is grade 2 nuclear sclerosis. So it will help to keep the capsular bag in position. As you can see, the fragmentation of the nuclear calcification. Phacotip should be, and there should not be turbulence in the anterior chamber. Pass through the capsule for the scleral fixation of the capsule. You can see. Now the case 3, where subluxated cataract management was done with the femtolaser surgery. Here the rhexis was done with the help of femtolaser machine, which reduces the zonular stress. You can see this was subluxated lengths more than 6 to 7 clock hours. The Rexis flap was created with the help of femtosecond laser. Flap was removed. Gentle hydrodissection was done. And the suture is passed through the previously made scleral flap to fixate CTR. You can see the CTR is fixated with the suture. And the low flow parameter irrigation aspiration was done. The IL was implanted in the bag. You can see the centration of IL. Now the case 4, the subluxation is more than 6 to 7 clock hours. And in this case, we're doing lensectomy. You can see the lensectomy was done. As it was a very severe grade of subluxation, so we planned, and this is anterior with iris claw lens. Here you can see the retrofixation of iris claw lens, which was very nicely done. And you can see the centration of IL. So proper planning, appropriate surgical technique, use of hooks and CTR ensures best outcome in the ectopia lentis management. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
In a subluxation, more than
This
one.
video shows management of ectopia iris claw lens. Here you can see the retrofixation of iris claw lens.
It started again. Yeah.
Yes.
In a subluxation of more than 180 degrees, have you ever considered Cioni with suturing or segment?
With the segment, probably if it is more than 180 degree, it will be quite difficult. And the management, anytime if you plan, there is a chances of that nucleus going back, and you have to. So if we pre-operative plan, just as I mentioned that more than 180 degree, and if the nucleus is soft, you can do very well with the lensectomy.
No, I'm talking about the posterior segment, sutured fixation of the
Cioni ring.
Cioni and then putting IOL.
That we did now. That we did that Cioni ring suturing at that both of the cases with the femto also
not shown.
and the
Yeah,
3
just for
degree. We
suture.
sutured the ring
Remaining thing
because it is not possible for the lens only to hold that. So if you have more than 180 degree, or probably you can, in the both cases we have sutured with the,
yes, shown a suture, but
both cases we sutured.
but Ciani is not shown.
With the femto also, which with the Rexis, because otherwise how it will, I will show.
Yes, sir, I understand. I saw that, but the Ciani going inside the video is not there. That's what he's asking. Only the suture.
Because
video is
we
there.
have to edit it to the 8 mm. This is the one case where
Okay, no. It's fine,
This-
it's fine, yeah, it's okay. I can understand. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what you'll do?